Transportation, a basic need of every individual in the world. In a developing country like the Philippines, majority of the commuters in the populated areas take advantage of the public transportation system such as buses, jeepneys, and trains. On the other side, transport activities have resulted in growing levels of motorization and congestion. For that reason, people create an environment that is most suitable for their mode of existence. They refashion their environment to the full extent of their biological equipment. They build transportation corridors like the pedestrian overpass and underpass to protect themselves for survival needs. Pedestrians are most susceptible, representing 70% of traffic fatalities in most developing countries and the larger portion of traffic injuries on urban roads. But more than coping with the daily hazard of traveling and crossing the streets, the human population is faced with the indirect and cumulative impacts of transportation activities on the environment. The most important impacts of transport and environment relate to climate change, air quality, water quality, soil quality, and biodiversity. Transportation is embedded in environmental cycles, notably over the carbon cycle. The road transport sector is responsible for 74% of global carbon dioxide emissions. These emissions, or greenhouse gases, contribute to global warming. With a technology relying heavily on the combustion of hydrocarbons, the impact of this system on the environment can be very significant. This has reached a point where transportation activities are a dominant factor behind the emission of most pollutants. They account for up to 25% of the world's energy consumption and is increasing faster than any other energy-utilizing category. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, all of these cause damage to human health. But we must recognize the fact that nearly all our present ecological problems arise from deep-seated social problems. The way human beings deal with each other as social beings is crucial to addressing ecological crisis. Let's create a sustainable transportation system by switching to an alternative fuel that is renewable and does not pollute, increasing the safety and reducing the emissions of motor vehicles through intelligent transportation systems, decreasing the demand for motor vehicle transportation through various public policies, demand management, and educational actions. Earth is everybody's home. Nobody likes living in a dirty home. Together, we can make the Earth a cleaner, healthier, and more pleasant place to live.